My first question is, I heard about meditation can be do in anywhere, anytime, but the fact is sometimes when we want to do the meditation, but the environment is too crowded. People are saying, they are talking, they are playing, so it may be hurt, maybe disturb our mind. So what should we do in that environment? And then the second question is, because if we are at home, masters won't be just stay with us. So what should we do if we are alone? We are just at home. The masters is at other place. The third question is, how long should we do the meditation every day? Thank you.
뭐야? 대능이 니가 한직도 최지 저와 성망이 다리를 한직도 알죠. 되네 한직도 랑식은 나오잖아. 맞소 저 진등근 소가 그 초그 샤와 강당강 좀나 그런 거 셈라 스타디온도 되네 곰 탐치거는 그곰 타르트바래. 되네 진등그 랑기 셈라 랑거 스타디온도 तार नाम तो क्या नहीं नाम जागा सिम दिखने नाम जागा शावा कां शेना यार जिंद गे शावा चिपशे का गे चिप साम गया को निमु जिंद को साम चीज़ ना रंग तने चिग गुम ग न्याम दाना तिमो थाम चितर नगर में दियार तारिम जोंगे तब गुम जो तीसुन जैसे जाना ते खसोद चिग गामोद शिट्रो ते जिंद न चिग निंगों rabna chig nyang chiga tari chig thun khsam da thun chig timo gum gonre karte te sta mdo ji na rang ta chig mawje ba zamsuk to rang ti su ta tane to gum gonre shichuk ke na gum ji ta chig le la bo chig nyama chig da ni zamsuk yeng go na mare khol na cha ke woyer ne ne na chig jigne khona gum ji won de yon chig lo khsam da zawa khsam da na jaksam timo i chrondi chig ta ramba tangbo ge jigne tari ge I'll
just answer all your questions at once.
Thank you.
So the main point is all of us have to learn to just simply watch our own mind, to look into your own mind. In all the situations, like you mentioned, in a busy situation, home alone situation, whatever the case may be, you watch your own mind, you look into that. What am I thinking now? Why is this disturbing me? What should I be doing? Why am I confused about that? You look into your own mind with mindfulness and remembering the teachings that you've received, and you try to apply and be aware of what's going on, so that you're not just oblivious to things, but that you are aware, so that you can begin to be a meditator who does contemplative awareness practice. And in terms of how long or when you're going to do that, well, ideally, one should do some practice in the morning, some practice in the evening. Or traditionally, it's said 3 times a day in 3 sessions or 6 sessions, whatever the case may be. It seems important not to forget to at least do this at some point, so that it's not something that you just completely forget about. And then you build from there. And because this is not necessarily easy. And so we have to create the habit. There are many who say that shamatha meditation can be accomplished after 3 years, 3 months, and 3 days of meditative retreat. Well, it's kind of hard to define it into those time frames when each individual is actually different. But you do your best to introspect and be mindful of your own mental process, and that would constitute being the practice of contemplative awareness.
Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.